Now, your first warned weather forecast from meteorologist Owen Zarley.
Well, we're starting to see some blue skies peek out now after those showers pushed through this morning. Just seeing some upper level clouds now here across southern Wisconsin and Beloit out our Mercy Health SkyTrack camera. Beautiful blue skies now to start the day. We're going to be keeping our eye on that sunshine here throughout the day because we may see our dew point temperatures decrease a little bit, which would allow our heat index values to be not as warm, but we're going to be keeping an eye on that here. We're already starting to clear on satellite and radar. You see, seeing showers, but there's actually some clearing now showing up as we approach the northwestern portions of the state line. Well, most of those thunderstorms and showers from this morning have pushed off to our east, and temperatures haven't changed all too much yet, but we're still at 76 here in Rockford, 72 in Rochelle, 73 in DeKalb, as well as 73 up in Janesville. Freeport now up a degree at 72 degrees. And taking a broader look out at satellite and radar here, just seeing that complex of thunderstorms that moved through earlier in the day, actually seen some severe thunderstorms down to our south, and those have continued to weaken here through the day. Again, another look at satellite and radar, where we have this big high pressure in place, and that's what's fueling such warm temperatures here throughout the entire Midwest. We could see that here by just those heat alerts across pretty much the entire West, extending down into the deep south. Extreme heat warnings in effect for much of the Mississippi River Valley and then into Iowa and Nebraska. Thankfully, we don't have extreme heat warnings, but we are still under a heat advisory up until 8 p.m. today. That's for heat index values approaching 105 degrees, but we do have kind of an interesting forecast here. We'll take a look at the heat index trend here. On this model, it's showing that our heat index value is actually staying a little bit below than expected. A 96-degree heat index from 2, 3, 4 o'clock and into the 5 and 6 o'clock hour. That would be the case if we see maybe some of those dew points mixed down from the surface, if we get a lot of sunshine through the afternoon. But if we see a little bit less mixing and those dew point temperatures stay in the mid to upper 70s with our real temperatures at 92 degrees, then we'll be seeing possible heat index values approaching 100, maybe even 105 degrees. So for today, we're expecting a high temperature of 92 degrees. Going to be keeping an eye on that sunshine, those dew point temperatures, though. We had those storms early on, but that has now transitioned to sunshine as we approach the afternoon. Winds will be out of the southwest at 5 to 15 miles per hour with some gusts up to 20 miles per hour. We're going to be staying dry for the rest of the day. Actually seeing some mostly sunny skies possible by 1 o'clock here on Futurecast, but then we're going to keep our eyes up to the northwest once again. Very similar situation to today. We're going to have a decaying thunderstorm complex up to our north and west, and as that dives down to the south and east, could be seeing some isolated showers and thunderstorms to start our day tomorrow, and then after that we're going to be staying clear for the afternoon. If we see a little bit of instability develop, could be seeing some very isolated showers along this cold front that starts pushing. You see a shower over Lake Michigan, but not a whole lot of shower development over the state line. And then as we approach Wednesday, looking to be a little bit higher chances for some precipitation as we have that cold front still overhead, and then we are going to be seeing our next upper level system move in that could be bringing a couple of showers later into the day on Wednesday. But over the next 2 days, the big thing is that those cooling temperatures as we approach Wednesday, 90 degrees tomorrow, 78 on Wednesday. Over the 7-day forecast, we'll be seeing a cool trend after Wednesday, thankfully staying in the upper 70s and low 80s for the rest of the week. Back to you, Ryan.